Hi business and agency owners, do you want results like this for your clients or your business using our Google Drive system for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO and email marketing? This is not fake, and on our YouTube channel you can see videos discussing strategies for each of these cases. Let's take Linda's e-commerce business where we achieved 9x returns. We optimized her product feed and choose the right Google Ads strategy. Then your horse business went from 0 conversions to 16,000 with our step-by-step Google Drive system. For a Polish company, we achieved 2 million impressions for e-commerce product pages using SEO and saved the client 3 million zlotys compared to Google Ads costs. We also generated more than 600 leads in the first month for a modular building company. The old system and approaches don't work anymore. You need to adopt new campaigns and strategies. Inside our Google Drive system, you will find step-by-step instructions for configuring Google Ads conversions, optimizing campaign, and installing and optimizing the Facebook pixel. We also cover how to use Google Ads and Facebook Ads in synergy. You will get instructions and ready-made templates, also known as deliverables, saving your agency time. For upselling and cross-selling, you will need email marketing, and we got system for that too. Imagine how much money you can save. Instead of hiring a senior for $1,000, you could hire a junior just for $100. Provide them with these instructions and save $900. If you're a business owner and worried that your agency spending your money inefficiently, you can configure your ads yourself using these operational procedures. If you want to consult with us during setup to make sure everything is done right, you can do that. The average monthly cost for a Google Ads agency is $800–900, but imagine how much you could save using our system. Whether you are a lead generation company, an e-commerce business, or an agency offering these services, you can use our instructions to speed up process and save money. Instead of paying thousands of dollars to senior experts, you can get it done more efficiently. We want to remind that this system was built from servicing over 200 accounts. We have documented our mistakes and continuously improved our internal system, and now we can finally share this system with you. You can click the link below and buy the system now.